Right then, front clip or suspension axle unit almost out. Bolt removed there, bolt removed there, bolt removed there, through from there. This one's now out as well. That is it, nearly out. It's a supported by a block of wood on the jack. Can't speak tonight. So pull the bolt out. Jack supporting the axle, we hope. A bit more. There we go. And that should wiggle out. Maybe it's a bit too much actually. Mind you, when we take this out, the whole car could flip on the jacks with the weight all being at the back. So if I go flying, you'll know why. Hopefully it's a bit more balanced than that. Right. Now the moment of truth. Let's drop it down. Nice and gently. How's it doing? There's a bit of noise then because it's coming off its rubber mounts. Let's give it a bit of help. Rubber mallet, just see if anything's stuck. Kitty, don't walk under there. Try again. I think it's just a bit stuck on the grizzle. Plan B, push it up. Nah, it's still hooked on something, so I'll get the crowbar out and have a bit of a play. Okay, my bad. Left that bolt in. Poor bolt, holding the whole thing in. Oh. Removal of front axle, take 5. Boom. Well, that wasn't easy. A couple of mistakes. Axle went 90 degrees on itself onto the floor because it didn't have the jack balanced because the car is on a slight slope, so it just slipped back towards the bulkhead there. Never mind, no damage done. It's on that for tonight to figure out how to move it somewhere safer.